In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ElevenLabs audio effortlessly. Before we dive into the details of saving your audio creations, let me quickly mention that if you decide to sign up for ElevenLabs, using our affiliate link really supports our channel and helps us continue bringing you useful content like this. Let's get started. Once you've generated your audio using ElevenLabs, you'll be pleased to know that the process of saving it is straightforward. In fact, ElevenLabs has made it super convenient by automatically saving and storing your audio files in the history section. This means you don't have to worry about losing your creations or forgetting to save them manually. Everything is neatly filed away for you. Now, depending on the specific tool you utilized within ElevenLabs, you will find a dedicated history section. This is a handy feature where you can not only review your past work, but also play any previously generated audio. It's essentially your personal library, making it easy to reference and reuse your audio whenever you need it. When you're ready to listen to your generated audio, simply navigate to the history section and select the audio file you want to play. Upon doing so, the media player controls will automatically appear at the bottom of the interface. This provides you with the familiar functionalities to manage audio playback, such as play, pause, and stop buttons. You'll notice how user-friendly the interface is, allowing you to control your audio with ease. Now, here's the crucial part: downloading your audio. Look to the bottom right corner of the media player. You'll spot a download button right there. With just a simple click, you can download your audio file directly to your device. This action saves a copy of your generated audio locally, ensuring you have access to it anytime, regardless of your internet connection. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully learned how to save ElevenLabs audio, and as you can see, the process is designed to be as smooth and efficient as possible. It's all about allowing you to focus more on your creative projects without any technical hassles. Remember, with ElevenLabs, your audio is always just a few clicks away from being securely stored and easily accessible for whenever you might need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy audio creating, and see you in the next video.